Hey everybody, it's a boring old guy. Look, spring is here, and I'm going to be showing you my way of getting seeds going, which works absolutely awesome, so take notes. So I have tried lots of different ways to get my seeds going every year. I've looked at YouTube videos, I've gone online and Googled stuff and tried all kinds of different ways. And you know what? There's only one simple way to do it, and that is using the paper towel and plate method. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how I put this together. But before I do that, I want to show you the results, because this actually works better than everything else. I have some seeds that I have started for my flower garden or my tower garden. There's a video for that. I will make sure I link it. But I want to show you this. So all I do is I use a teacup saucer and a regular small plate. I put a paper towel in there, I get it wet, put the seeds in. So here I have some spinach that is going, and I actually need to get the spinach out of here and get it ready for the tower garden. They are already starting to grow, and so I need to actually pull this one pretty puppy out. Come here, you. As you can see, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Already started and ready to go. So I'm going to do the tower garden stuff for that later. So that's the first step, getting them going. But once they're going, you don't want to throw them right into a tower garden. You don't want to throw them right into the dirt outside, because they're not going to survive. So you still need to give them some care if you want them to be successful. So for my spinach, for the tower garden, we have these great little coconut husks things. And you can see this spinach is doing very, very well. This is probably, gosh, it's not even a week that this has done this. Absolutely beautiful. So once that opens up, gets a little bit nicer, I'm going to put it into the tower garden with the cucumbers that are already out there. Also have my strawberries going. The strawberries were like super way difficult to get going, but the strawberries are going. And then I also have some peppers. I did also. Now the peppers, they're actually going to go in a raised bed that our neighbor, when he moved out, gave us that. So I actually have these in just little cups. So I've got, this is my peppers. So once my peppers get a little bit larger, they're going to go in the raised bed. So that is all just from doing the paper towels. That's all you've got to do is just the paper towels. So what we're doing today is we're going to do sunflowers. Love sunflowers. I have tried planting sunflowers all over the time, all over the place, and it just never seems to work. So this year we're going to do it this way, and I'm going to put them against my back fence. Don't worry, I will make sure I do updates so you guys can see. So make sure you subscribe, you like the videos and everything, so that way you get to see the updates. So here's all we got to do. I'm just going to take a paper towel. I'm going to fold it twice. Once, twice. Simple enough. I have my dish. Put it on my dish. Give it a little bit of water. And I'm going to pour my water onto the dish. Now you don't want a lot of water, because if you get a lot of water, it's no good for your seeds. You don't want to waterlog them. You want to make sure it's not dripping out. Make sure there's nothing dripping out. Once that's just saturated like that, nothing dripping out, you're good. I can't believe I got the right amount of water on the first shot. That's awesome. Absolutely love it. So what I'm going to do now with my seeds, my sunflower seeds, I'm going to do something a little different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack the seeds open. And once I crack the seed open, I have just my sunflower seed. Eventually, my one little teeny tiny sunflower seed. I'm going to fold this open, and I'm going to lay my sunflower seed here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do about 10 of these. Actually, I may do, I don't know how many are in there. I may do just most of them, if not all of them. Probably not all of them, but at least 10 of them, because I want to put them against the back fence. Maybe what I'll do is I'll put some out this way and then some the other way, see which works better. And then all you do is fold it, put a lid on it, and set it aside. You're done. All done. That's all you got to do. A lot of people say put it in a dark, cool place. I never put it in a dark, cool place. All I do is it sits next to my coffee maker. That's it. And they do absolutely wonderful. So I'll put all the different things that you need on the bottom. Oh, come on, really? You didn't pay attention? A paper towel, 2 plates, and seeds. That's all you need. So, hope you like this really quick video. I'm going to do the rest of the sesames or the rest of the sunflower seeds. You guys have a great day. Again, if you're liking these videos, please click the link to subscribe. Please click the notifications, like this video, share it, all that good stuff. Have a great day. Boring old guy. Cheers.